Welcome back, everyone. This project actually kind of randomly came to me. I was kind of focused on some other projects for this channel and then some other personal projects for way in the future. And I thought about this and searched a quick thing about turning text into speech. Found this library from, I think it's Google Text-to-Speech library. I'll put a link in the bio about, or in the description about the documentation, so you can look at all the different options that you can do with this library. The basic gist is you can take a text file, whatever you want typed in there, and it will automatically create an audio file with a female voice reading it for you in different languages, obviously whatever you typed in, and with different accents. So I'm just going to do English by default with just an American accent, but that's how this is going to work. So it's going to use Python 3. Now, if you just run the command without another parameter, it just doesn't do anything. So you want to make sure that you add a text file. Now, if we look real quick, in the folder that I have my text-to-speech, I also have my text file, and it just has some simple, just some words in here that I have for the end of the video that I'll play at the end. So then, when I run this, you can see in the background that there's now a file. Now, you can just play it, and that is your MP3 file that you can maneuver, put into any other editing software or anything like that. So I'll play that at the end. So I'm going to walk through the code real quick. First, you're going to have to download the library, and you can import it into your program. Import the OS and the system library. And the way I have it working is, as long as the argv array is equal to 2, and again, that means that it has the textToSpeech.py. The name of the program is going to be in the 0 index, and in the 1 index, the name of the text file. So as long as there's 2, it will try to run this. So the text file will open the file named index 1. It's going to do it for read only. I'm going to save it into audio text by calling that file and having it read it. Then I'm going to close the file because at this point I don't need it anymore. I'm going to set the language to EN, which is English. Then I'm going to create an audio file, and this is where we call GTTS, and it takes some parameters. So obviously it needs the text. Audio text is coming from here. The lang is coming from the language. And then it can be either slow or it can be or a little bit faster. So it's going to be a little faster in mine because I have it as slow as false. Again, all of this stuff you could have dynamically changed based on inputs. For what I need, I didn't, so that's where it's going to be for this point. At this point, and then we have the audio file, and I want to save it. So you just pass in the name of it. It's going to be an MP3 file, and then what I do is I take the name, and I just chop off the last 4 characters, which is going to be the .txt. So it'll be whatever the name is minus the .txt, add the MP3, save it, and now we're done recording. Pretty straightforward and easy script. There's a lot you can do with this. Obviously, you could add some editing to it beforehand. And editing, I mean to the text. I don't know how much you can edit the audio programmatically. I would love to research that, and I will be doing some more of that. So maybe this project will come up again.
There are many applications that can use a text-to-audio file conversion. I would love to see where you take it from here. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.